Good morning, Rex. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, which makes today National Laundry Day. I have no idea why on a Wednesday in April that would be the case. But three big things, some reminders for you. College signing day will be today at 1:30. Look for Laskowski to put some things out about some of our student athletes moving on to the next level next year. I mentioned it a few times this week. Again, go to Counselors Connect. Ms. Sharin should have you up to speed on that information, and you can find out more that she has to offer. And the last one for social distancing, you might be more in danger than you may have been over the last few weeks. If you were around people over this last weekend, maybe it was a holiday for you, maybe it was Easter, and you came into contact with others. Make sure that you're aware of that even though you might not have any symptoms, you may be spreading it. So make sure to lay low for this week and make sure you don't come into contact with anybody else. Birthday today. Happy birthday to Romeo Poole. That's all I've got for today. Stay on top of your work. Don't let this thing pile up and become a bigger problem when you have an opportunity to do well. So have a great day, Rex.